Hey everybody, welcome back to 2A News Now, and I really appreciate you taking your time tuning in to my videos. Before I start today's video, once again I want to thank everybody for your well wishes and saying you hope I get well soon. For those who don't know, last week I had to go to the ER. I was having trouble with my heart, and of course they did a lot of tests, and the blood tests showed there was some high levels in my blood. So they want me to see two specialists, a cardiologist and a hematologist. And yesterday I spent quite a bit of time talking to my insurance company and trying to make appointments with the specialist they want me to see. And I was lucky enough to get an appointment with a cardiologist later today. So once I find out something, I'll let you guys know. The information that I'm going to give you next comes from the fantastic people at the Firearms Policy Coalition. And unfortunately, it's not the greatest news. This is a pistol brace alert. A judge sides with the ATF in a major blow to the Firearms Policy Coalition's case against the ATF's pistol brace rule. A judge denied their request for a preliminary injunction. In response, the Firearms Policy Coalition is filing an emergency appeal of that ruling with the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals. That's because barring any court intervention, the ATF will be free to brutally enforce their pistol brace rule in about 28 days. This appeal could be the last chance to prevent anti-gun bureaucrats from turning 40 million gun owners like us into felons. The judge seemed to indicate in the Firearm Policy Coalition's case, Mock versus Garland, that he doesn't believe that they're likely to succeed on the merits of their 2A or APA claims. So that means there's a lot more work to be done in order for the Fifth Circuit Court to side with the peaceable people against the despotic ATF. Unfortunately, that's not the ruling we're looking for. But thank goodness we have people like the Firearms Policy Coalition and others that are out there fighting every day for our Second Amendment rights. We cannot continue to let the rogue ATF get their way. As always, I would really like to hear your thoughts about the story in the comment section down below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you guys waiting for? You could join the over 53,000 subscribers to the channel. And you guys are always supporting the channel and crushing it by liking, sharing, and subscribing and hitting those post notifications. I really do appreciate it. And I invite everybody back to see my next video.